a 300 square meter lot area, and a 518 square meter floor area. That's the size of the house that we are going to picture right now here at Quezon City. So let's find out how this big house become our dream house. So let's check inside. So here we are. This is our main door, the main entrance. But before we go inside, just let me remind you that this house is a solar equipped house, a smart home, a luxury home. And here we go. Pansin nyo naman, napakalaki ng ating pintuan. The smart lock. So, pagpasok, ito ang bubungad sa atin. No? They have a design of a high ceiling with a lot of chandelier na napakaganda. And they have already a multimedia wall na naka-ready na dito. So, napakalaki ng inyong sala, no? Lakad ako para ma-visualize nyo. So, this is the living area. And that side is the swimming pool area, which is later natin pupuntahan. So, makikita nyo ngayon, yung wall natin more on glass. So, yung natural light dito sa bahay talagang napakaganda. And this is the fully equipped kitchen na feature nila dito sa bahay. So, they have the ref, the induction, the range hood, and the oven. So, kulang na lang magluluto. Go dito sa ating pool area, no? So, here we go. So, ito yung pinakalanay area kung saan pwede kang maglagay ng table, upuan, habang nagsiswimming. And they have also, pakita ko sa inyo, they have also a shower room or area dito na kung saan pwede kang mag-shower bago ka maligo. So, that's everything here in sa ating swimming pool, no? So, let's go inside. So, we are here at the ground floor area. So, nandito yung ating parking. Our parking is good for 4 vehicle. So, kung makikita nyo, ito yung gate ng ating parking dun sa labas kanina. So, dito lang tayo dumaan kasi masyadong mainit. So, ayan. And, let's go inside. And, anyway, they have another room here for the staff. They have one small room here and the toilet and bath here. So, I think that one is for the staff na magme-maintain itong bahay. And they have also here a toilet and bath on that side. And this is another room. I think pwede itong guest room or a gym. So, malaki. So, it's up to you kung ano yung pwede nyong ilagay dito. It is a sliding door. So, pwede siyang i-open if they have a party here or occasion na pwede. We are here at the basement. This is another room. They have a sink, gas stove here, a ref, and they have also a small room here with a small toilet and bath dun sa area na to. So, that's it. So, I think this one is for the staff na nagbabantay ng bahay. For the maintenance. So, they don't need to go to up para magluto. So, let's go for the second floor area. We are here right now at the second floor. And to mention, yung ating floor is a Nara. As in pure Nara yan, ha? And here we go. Start tayo dito sa room number 1 dito sa ating second floor. So, they have a built-in cabinet. And ang ganda ng kanyang wall. Diba? Glass. It's a little bit big. Sakto lang, diba? Pwede yung queen size bed dito. And they have also toilet and bath. So, lahat ng room natin may toilet and bath. Pasok ako para makita nyo. And ang wall niya, marmol, ah. Nice. We have sink here. So, let's go sa ating room number 2. Here we go, our room number 2. They have also the same with the built-in cabinet. And ganito din siya kalawak. So, nice one. And they have the built-in cabinet also here, another stock room, and the multimedia wall, and the toilet and bath. Same with the other one, ang size ng mga toilet and bath nila. Diba? Here we go, and let's go for the third room. This is our third room. Ito yung chandelier natin kanina, di ba? So, makikita mo yung iyong living area dito. Nice view. And the toilet and bath is on this side. Here we go. Same sila ng mga toilet and bath. Nice. So, we are going to the master bedroom right now. Here we go. This is the master bedroom. And they have already the multimedia wall here. Cabinet. And kung mapapansin nyo, it's all glass, yung side ng wall na to. Diba? And the king size bed is also fit here. Napakalawak. Let's go. And this is the toilet and bath with a walk-in closet here. Nice color. Ganda. And they have 2 sinks here. And this is the shower. And kung mapapansin nyo, meron yung aircon na nandiyan sa taas. So, may aircon yung ating CR. So, this house is so nice. And let me just tell you itong side na to. Napakaganda, di ba? So, tanaw mo dito yung iyong living area from here. So, nice view. And let's go for the roof deck. Meron pa tayong roof deck, mga kapatid. Let's find out. So, here we go. Papunta na tayo dito sa ating roof deck. So, una kong ipapakita sa inyo ang kanilang solar power na sinasabing feature dito sa bahay na to, no? So, ayan yon. And if you check the view, this is your view. Imagine mo na lang kung gaano to kaganda sa gabi. That is the Sierra Madre view. Napakaganda, di ba? Napakainit. So nice! Di ba? Napakaganda ng bahay, napakalaki. So, ano pa pang hinihintay mo? Bilhin mo na to. Just send us a message or give us a call. And if you want to check a lot of these things that we have, just follow and check on our FB page. See you then!